to Synchronicity Tarot. So today we are going to do one pick a card reading. It is regarding you versus them and your energies, their energies and mutual energies we will see. I'm so happy and excited to show you my new deck. I have ordered the Sacred Indian Tarot deck in Amazon and today only I got this pack and I am waiting for this from past 1 week. So in this box they gave me one book, then the book with meanings, and I got 22 cards, and these cards are only major arcanas, so they are very powerful and very sacred. So I'm waiting to use them actually. So hope you all will love these cards, and only because of your support and encouragement I bought these cards to give you some more services. And I thought these cards will tell us the truth, and they will be accurate and they will be perfect and divinely guided. So let's start the reading. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications regarding my new videos. Okay, don't forget to comment if my reading resonated. If it did not, please check my other readings also. Please note that these are general readings and they may or may not resonate with everyone. If it is resonated, please comment below. I request you all to let me know what type of readings you want next. And if you want personal reading, please check the description box below for more details. Okay, so let's start today's reading. You versus them. Okay, so as usual we have three piles here. One of the pile is first pile is the elephant, and it is tradition. Then the second pile is the pain helps you grow. This is a mirror, twin flame connection. Then this is the book, so book of secrets or book of destiny. Okay, these are the three piles we have. You can choose one of the pile, so whichever you are drawn to, whichever you are intuitively connecting to. So if you need more time, then you can pause the video and you can select the pile intuitively. So let's start the reading for the pile number 1. So pile number 1, the elephant or the tradition. Okay, then we will see the cards. So let's see pile number 1, the elephant or the tradition. So let's see your feelings, then we will see your person's feelings, then the mutual energies. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please help us, guide us to get some clarity. What is happening in this connection? What are they feeling? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. So these are your feelings. Your energies actually. Okay, these are your energies. Let us see your person's energies. Please, angels, spirit guides, please give us some guidance about the pile number 1 viewers, person's feelings and energies. What they are feeling right now. 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 One more card, please. One more card, please. Okay. So these are the cards for your feelings and their feelings. Okay. So your feelings, whoever is the viewer, your feelings are this side and your person's feelings are this side. What this person is feeling about you are this side. Okay, this side I can see your feelings are Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, then Ten of Wands, then Six of Cups, and Eight of Pentacles. So I can see here that you might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You might be any one of the sign, and your person is strongly, I feel that he's Leo, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, then Scorpio is here only, death card, then yeah, that's all. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, Leo is here, Scorpio is here very strongly, so I can feel it. And I feel that this relationship is long distance relationship. And what you feel about this? So you feel that this connection is very divinely guided and divine connection it is, and you feel that this is given to you by the God or by universe, and you feel that this connection is very very sacred, and it is destined to happen to both of you. Okay, this is destined connection you feel. But right now you feel very very burdened, and responsibilities are so many, because maybe you are dealing in this connection so many problems in this connection. So you feel like so many burdens are there, so many problems are there in this connection. I'm not able to bear this connection. Sometimes you feel like I'll leave this connection and run away. You want to move away from this connection. So you feel that this person is not opening up to you. He's not telling his true feelings. This person is not giving you the clarity or guidance for the upcoming future, what he wants to do, what he wants to, what are his future plans, what he feels about you actually. So you are not clear about that. So you feel that this connection is very very burdensome for you. This connection is not at all giving you pleasure, happiness, romance. Nothing is there in this connection you feel. You feel that this person is hiding so many feelings and secrets from you, and you want to walk away. Then next card says that you want to share your cup of love with your person, he or she. You want to have romance, you want to have a caring loving connection with the other person. You want to have a pleasant beautiful times. You want to have a like a date, very beautiful date. You want to go out, and you want to enjoy the time together. Your feelings are very very positive towards that person. Like you right now you are feeling this burdensome feeling, but you are not able to walk away. You want all this feel from him or her. Okay, you want to have all the care, love, romance, then so much you want a long-term relationship or long-term commitment or marriage. So you want all these things. Then even Ace of Wands, meaning you want a new beginning in this relationship. Right now you both are not contacting, communicating with each other, I feel so. And also I feel that you both are not expressing your feelings properly. Even though if you are talking very little also, you are not sharing your feelings to each other. I can strongly feel that. With the Eight of Pentacles, I can see that you are almost to complete. Whatever the burdens are there, whatever you are facing, you want to fix it. You are fixing it one by one. Okay, from your side, from the viewer, I am saying. So you are fixing one problem. You are almost to finish. You are the end of the fixing problems. Only one is there in your hand, one is down. You have to fix this. Rest all you have fixed nicely, and now you struggled a lot. You have worked very hard on this relationship, and you feel that the other person is not giving you that much response or that much help. He is not giving from the other side. You feel like that. So these are your feelings. Then coming to your person is feeling that he needs strength in this connection, because he feels that this is soulmate connection, twin flame connection. So this person wants to have strength to come towards you. You all know twin flame connection means runner and chaser. There will be so many problems, so many obstacles. So this person feels that he needs the strength. And the page of cups means this person is full of love, and he is innocent actually. This person is very very innocent in this connection, and he is not at all manipulative or nothing. He is not a player. or not a flirt. This person feels for you lot of love, and that too innocent love, like childhood love. So maybe you both are childhood friends. Even I can see here also, I can see here also. Maybe you both are childhood friends or classmates or colleagues, or you know each other from before. Like you both are friends before. So no, now you want to convert this friendship into partnership or relationship. So this person wants to come towards you, and he wants to offer the cup of love. He wants to communicate with you. He wants to come towards you. But he feels that Five of Wands, there are so many people in your life that he feels like that. And you are listening to many people. Many people are advising you so many things, and you are listening to them only. You are not listening to you, this person. And this person is feeling that this is kind of a depth of the situation. Then death card means it is a transformation also. He wants to have some transformation in this connection, and he feels that you are his world. And this world card also says that this person might be at a very far away from you, or long distance relationship. This person is very far from you. So this person feels that you are his world, his or her world, and he can't even think anything apart from you. That kind of a very strong communication and very strong commitment is there from this person. This person wholeheartedly, this person wants you to get you into his life or her life. Okay, so this person is feeling helpless. He is not able to do anything. He has so many feelings for you. He understands that this is divine connection. This is twin flame or soulmate connection. He knows that. But right now he is not able to do any action, not able to take any action. He sees that you are having so many hurdles, so many problems in your family. So many people are opposing your connection. This person feels that this is... I can't do anything in this situation. Like that he feels that you have to take some action. You have to come out of this conflict, because so many people are there around you, who are interfering in this connection. That is what this person feels. But this person loves you a lot, and he feels that you are his world. I mean, without you there is nothing in his life. That is what this person feels, and this person strongly wants a transformation in this connection. Okay, that is what he feels right now. So let us see the mutual feelings or outcome from the Sacred Indian Tarot. So only one card I will take, we will see. So what are the mutual feelings or outcome of this relationship? Okay, so the Chariot card came. So very positive card for you. So there will be definitely movement in your love life, and there will be a very fast movement. Chariot means, you can see the picture also, Rath. Rath means this is a movement. Okay, so this definitely you both will have a movement in this relationship, and there will be your movement will be moving forward, and you will have a very moving towards the destiny, moving towards the union. So moving in a positive direction, moving reaching your goal through this Chariot. So this is a very, very positive outcome, and definitely your love life will lead to the final destination, and you both will be united together, and you both will have a very nice future to ahead because of the Chariot card. There is a movement I can see in this relationship, because both of you have very loving feelings towards each other. So I don't see any obstacles apart from your family problems, or somebody is interfering in your life. Apart from that, I can't see any other problem in this connection. So pile number 1, the very, very positive reading for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then see you tomorrow with another reading. Let's go to pile number 2. Okay, pile number 2, whoever chose this mirror or a twin flame connection, pain helps you grow. Okay, so mirroring each other. So let's see what your card says. First we will see your energies, your feelings, then we will see your person's feelings and energies, and we'll see one outcome from the Indian Tarot, Sacred Indian Tarot card. Okay. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. What is happening? What is the viewer is thinking and feeling about this connection? What is the viewer's current energies? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Please help us. Show us some mercy. Thank you, angels. The Fool, the Hanged Man, the Ten of Wands, Two of Pentacles, the King of Swords. Okay, so these are your feelings. Let's see your person's feeling. What is this person's feelings? Please give us some guidance. Please help us. Please give us some guidance. For pile number 2, whoever chose this mirror, please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. These are your feelings. Whoever is the viewer, these are the partner's feeling. Whoever you are thinking about, whoever you are seeing this reading about. Okay. For you, I can strongly feel that you are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You might be any one of these sun signs. It can be sun sign, moon sign, or rising sign. Then your person is strongly, he is Gemini. Then Sagittarius, he might be Gemini or Sagittarius or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see strongly. Even the wands is there, wands card. That means Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, the fire sign. Okay. So I can see all the signs here. These are all the signs. Now let's come to your feelings. Okay. So you're feeling like right now you want to take this leap of faith, or you want to risk in this connection. You want to take a blind action towards this connection. You want to take a leap of faith and you don't know what is there in the future, but still you want to go ahead. You have so many fears and doubts and so many things are there inside your mind, but still you want to go ahead and you want to risk it. You want to take a daring step. Okay. So this person, you actually, not this person, you feel like you have so many responsibilities, so many burdens. Right now you are juggling with the two things, either two people or two things like a job and this love relationship, or business and job, or family and this person, or two people are there in your life. You are juggling with two things. I don't know why. And you feel like you are like a hanged man. You can't move ahead. So you are unable to move ahead. Maybe because you don't have communication with this person and you don't want to communicate first. So you might be feeling that why I should communicate. He can contact or she can contact me first. So then you are always defensive, and King of Swords means you are ready to take charge, and you are highly in a fighting mood actually. You are angry, and actually you are very strong, stable, and very intelligent person, but you are being hasty and you want everything to happen fast in your life. You want to have a very fast, everything should happen fast. That person should contact you, then engagement, then marriage. So you want everything to happen fast, very fast. So these are all the things, but you are unable to move. You are unable to. Maybe this is King of Swords shows something also like ego and all. So you both are like kings. Okay, you both have masculine qualities in you. Even the feminine, whoever is a viewer, feminine or masculine, they have the masculine qualities. They have a strong ego, so they don't want to communicate. They feel that why should I contact first? That person should contact. Something happened between you, maybe some not something major or something like that, but still some disagreement, miscommunication, some misunderstanding. So you both stopped talking to each other. Maybe some blocking also happened between you. You blocked the other person or other person blocked you. Something happened between you, but you don't want to take a first step. So you are right now juggling with this person is completely onto your mind 24/7. You are thinking about that person, but still you cannot take any move. That's what I can see from your side. Your feelings and your energies, I can see that. Then coming to your person has full of love towards you, love, passion. So love reading, lover's card, that means it is a like a very positive card and very nice, like it is a treasure of this reading. So this person loves you a lot and he feels you every time, every moment he feels you. He is obsessively thinking about you. He's chained to you. Actually, he's kind of attached to you. Universally you are guided by universe and spirit guides. This person feels that this is divine connection. So you can see in these both cards, you can see angels with wings. Okay, so this person feels that these are spirits, and spirits are spirit guides are guiding him, archangels are guiding him. So this person feels that this is a very positive connection, and he feels that divine is giving you can see this card coming out of nowhere. This hand is coming out of nowhere and giving him the wand. So that means this Ace of Wands means universe is asking him to take some action. So Temperance card means this is Sagittarius card. This means you need balance. See, you can see the angel sharing the cup of water. Okay, that means he feels that you both need balance in your life. You both are obsessively thinking, passionate. You want every possible thing to happen in this connection. Like you both want the same thing, but he feels that there should be some balance in this. Maybe you both are egoistic and you egotistical, and you both are very angry, and you both are short tempered, something like that. But you both have to have some balance. He feels very loving relationship towards you, loving feelings towards you. So this person feels that we both need some balance in this connection. Then this person feels that you should take some action, because these are his feelings towards you. So this person feels that you should come and contact him. This person is waiting for you. This person feels that you should communicate with him. You should take some action, because universe is guiding you to take action. This is a divine connection. So he is waiting for you. Even King of Pentacles also, he is very strong, and he is right now concentrating on his money, finance and all. He is having some financial problems, I can see that. But this person now is not moving at all. This may be a same-sex relationship also. I can see two kings here. Okay, so this person feels that he is not able to move, because he is not clear like what you are thinking. So he feels that you are always ready to fight. So this person feels that I don't know if I communicate, he's afraid of you. So he's thinking that if I communicate, what this person will say, again a fight will start. He's tired actually. He's just looking at you like you are treasure for him. So he's looking at his pentacles. He's also concentrating on his money, financial status, then career also. And this person is feeling about you also. You are like his like a treasure. He's admiring you. He's adoring you from far. Maybe he's looking at you from social media, or any kind of Facebook or Instagram, Twitter or YouTube also. This person is like stalking you. Not stalking, we can say that this person is concerned about you. He cares for you. This person is looking at you from far. Okay, so these are his the other person's feelings. Now we will see what the Sacred Indian Tarot says about this connection. What are the mutual energies and what is the outcome? Please, Sacred Indian Tarot, give us some guidance. Please, angels, give us some guidance. Okay, so this is the outcome, the Empress. Okay, definitely both will have this is the mutual energy. Both of you want a family together and both of you want children together. Empress meaning mother, then care. So both of you want the same. Both of you want to love each other, care about each other, have a family, have children, have nice pleasant time, nice peaceful time together. You want to live with each other forever. This is what you both want, and also this is going to happen. This is the outcome card of this second pile. Okay, so be positive. I can say that this is a very positive reading. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Hope these feelings are clear to you. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. We will go for the next pile. So we will go for third pile. So pile number 3, the book or the secrets or the destiny. Whoever chose this pile number 3, we will see what are your energies and your person's energies, and we will pull one card of Sacred Indian Tarot. Then we will see what is the outcome of this relationship. Okay, so these are your energies and your feelings. Whoever is a viewer, their feelings towards the other person, what they want from this connection. Spirits and angels, please guide us, give us some guidance. Okay, these are actually many cards came, but still I will take because so many cards came. I want only 5 cards. So should I take or not? Okay, I'll take only 5 cards. Let's see the other person's feelings. Let's see other person's feelings. Your lover or a partner, whoever is you are dealing with, let us see their feelings towards you. Wheel of Fortune. King of Pentacles. Seven of Swords. Six of Pentacles. And Eight of Wands. Okay, so I can see that this is a long-term relationship and also the long-distance relationship. Okay, so these are your feelings and these are your person's feelings. Let us see what are your feelings first. I can see that you might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and strongly Scorpio. Scorpio I can see. Then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and very few of you are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can strongly see Scorpio here. Then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. These are the strongest signs here. Any one of you might be whoever is the viewer. Then your person might be also a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But strongly I can see that Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, I can see. So let's see your feelings and your energies. So right now you are juggling with two things or two people or two situations actually. So you are juggling something. You are very busy. You are juggling something. You are decisive, and you feel that this connection is soulmate connection or twin flame connection, because infinity symbol is there. You feel like that. You feel that this is a divine connection, soulmate, twin flame, and you want to have a beautiful family with this person. You want to have 10 of Pentacles, a family with a nice luxurious life, with children, with pets. You want this kind of life with this person, and you feel that there is nothing is moving. This is kind of a death for you. You are very sad, and you are not able to take it. Actually, you are not able to accept that this connection is over. You are feeling that this is death of the connection, and you are not able to digest. But you want to have some transformation. Death means it is transformation, and you want some transformation in this connection. So you feel that this connection is not moving anywhere. It is stuck, and you want some transformation, and you feel that many people are interfering in this connection, and you feel that other person is having many people in his life. Many people, maybe his family, friends, or somebody is interfering in your connection, and they are saying that don't marry this person or something. So you feel that this person is having so many people in his life, and he is giving importance to them only, not to me. But this person actually is fighting with everybody. This person is having disagreement. So you feel that this person is fighting with everyone for this connection. You have a positive feeling, and you want to offer the Ace of Cups to him. This is a very innocent, young energy. So you might be very young and innocent, and very beautiful, charming, attractive. Okay, so you want to offer. You have full of love for this person, and you want to offer the love towards him, and you want to communicate with this person actually. So you want to have some communication. There is no communication between you both. So you want to have contact between you both, and you want to express the love, and you want to lead this relationship to marriage. You want to have some transformation, and you want to lead this connection to marriage. These are what your feelings and energies. Let us move to your person. So your person is waiting for the wheel to turn. So this is Wheel of Fortune. He is waiting for the right time to take some action. Okay, and he is waiting for the right moment, and he feels that you are very strong and stubborn individual. You have lot of power, and King of Pentacles means you are very powerful person. You are rich, then beautiful, strong. You are very positive person. That's what this your person sees. And also your person feels that you have other people also in your life, and he feels that you are you have many people in your life, and you are kind of a flirt or a player. You are not giving that much attention to him. Okay, so that is what this person feels, and this person is doing lot of prayers, meditations. He is generously giving money to others. He is doing lot of donations, a lot of charity. This person is Six of Pentacles means it is a love card, because he wants to have you in his life. He wants to have that like strong connection between you both. He is doing so many prayers, he is doing so many things, but he is not moving right now because of the Wheel of Fortune. He is waiting for the right time, the wheel to turn. He wants to the wheel to turn, and he also want to very communicate very fast. Actually, this Eight of Wands shows that this is long distance relationship, and this person want to communicate very fast, quick and fast. He want to come towards you. That is what his energies are. You want to offer your cup of love. You want communication, and this person want also the communication. He wants to come towards you very fast, running, and he wants to communicate his feelings towards you. Very positive. Both of you are having very positive feelings. I cannot see any bad card in this spread. Very nice. All the cards are nice. Let us see your mutual energies or the outcome of this connection. Let us see mutual energies or outcome of this connection. Let's see. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. These are very big cards. Okay, the Magician. Magician means you can manifest whatever you want in this connection. Okay, so it is, the universe is saying that it is in your hands. You both can talk together, you both can resolve your issue. So only thing is one step away, like you can manifest your thing, you can manifest this connection in your life. You have the knowledge, you have the capability, you have the capacity, you have everything, all the resources you have. You are the magician. You can manifest this connection, and the universe is saying yes to this connection, and you will definitely manifest this connection because of the magician card. Hope you like this reading, friends, and if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then that's all I have for you today. Then see you tomorrow with another reading. Till then, bye bye.